Hey guys, WanderingShell here, and we're gonna do a quick little bake.
Hi ho, hi ho. I'm grumpy, don't you know?
Anyway, we're gonna do the Seven Dwarfs Baked Apple. And it involves blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Oh yeah, and at the end we have the drizzle honey, if we have enough.
And no bacon.
So, what you have to do first is cut the tops of the apples without cutting yourself at the same time. Okay. I made a hole in it.
Try not to make a hole in it.
Then,
do you want to?
there we go. Oh, that one didn't. Okay. Alright. So now after that, assuming you take a spoon and you core it. Actually, that's doing pretty well.
So the first step is preheat your oven.
Oopsie.
Michelle forgot to preheat oven.
I preheated
to 200 degrees Celsius or
395 Fahrenheit.
About 395 Fahrenheit.
We put it as 400 just because it's easier.
Then you cut off the tops and core the apples.
It's like I just did that or said that. I guess that's enough.
Yeah.
And now the other one. After you've done coring, you put them in a safe, oven-safe, what is this called?
That is a casserole dish. You can use a tray.
You can put it in a tray or a casserole dish. I'm going to put a casserole dish so they don't maneuver around. Does it need the lids on them?
No, I guess if you want to lid them.
They make funny sounds.
Optional lids.
Oh, I think I got the wrongs. It doesn't matter.
45 minutes later, once Michelle figures out that there's only 2 apples and 2 lids.
So now you put them in. Whew, that's hot. For 25 minutes. So after the 25 minutes is up, you take the apples out. But I had to get the other one. So after they come out, very carefully remove the lids.
You do know you have to put those back on there.
I know, but it's very hot. Hot lid. Hot lid. Okay. So now, the fun part. You take your blackberries.
You don't need that many.
I'm just grabbing. How many did I put in there? 3?
Like 3.
Get in there, buddy. Stop sizzling. I feel like I could fit one more. Well, this is very raspberries.
You mean bitter?
All the way back. And now you take your blueberries. They'll be cooked anyway.
Don't trust that. Okay.
Now, take your honey afterwards and you just drizzle it in there. It was the honey, I swear. Okay. Now, lids go back on.
Oh, you're not crying because they're hot?
No, they cool down a bit. And they go back in the oven for 10 minutes. Oh no, one apple. Stay.
So now, for a 10-minute interlude.
Cooking so fun. Cooking is so fun. Now it's time to take a break and see what we have done. Yay! It's ready! Cooking is so fun. Cooking is so fun. Now it's time to take a break and see what we have done. Yay! It's ready! Wait a second. What we're doing isn't cooking at all, is it?
Alright, so after the 10 minutes are up, you take out the apples. Very hot. Oh, they smell good. It's just very hot. There you go. And that's it. That was easy.
This cookbook
Recipe is in the Simple Family Cookbook for Disney. And there it is. Here's the supposed to be and what is.
it says that you can eat these either
Hot
or cold. Michelle is now going to bite into one while it's still sizzling.
No, we're gonna let it cool, and maybe now that it's cooled down a bit, we're gonna able to test it out. As soon as we
Be mindful that they may start to leak because they've been baking for
no,
ever.
they're so heavy. Oh yeah, that's very. We're okay. I tested. Okay. And oh.
You will notice that the berries stayed about the same size, but they do look like they absorbed a lot of moisture.
Yeah, they did. Guess we'll just open it up. Oh, there goes it all. And that's it, really.
Now Michelle's going to take her first bite.
Hot.
Or just keep cutting it to stall as long as possible.
It's very hot.
Remember that these can be eaten hot or cold. We decided hot.
Hot.
Does it taste like apple? Because that's all you got right there. Apparently, it is turning her into Santa Claus. Interesting. I would have thought it would have turned her into one of the dwarfs.
It's good. Where's apple? It's a big apple. It's a nice simple treat, okay? Okay.
I like how you're trying to justify it to me. I don't really care.
Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.